Are you annoyed by the iPhone is too close alert? Here's how to turn it off on iOS 26 permanently. If you're constantly getting that iPhone is too close screen time alert while watching videos or reading, then all you have to do is to open the settings on your iPhone, scroll a little bit down if you need to in order to find the screen time option. Maybe the phone will prompt you to enter the screen time passcode in order to access the settings, so just enter it and then you'll get to this page. The option which we're looking for is this screen distance, and it will have a little arrow icon that looks something like this. As you can see, the option is currently enabled for us, so if you want to turn off that iPhone is too close alert that's annoying you, then just disable this switch. Before you turn this feature off, just remember, the iPhone is too close alert is actually there for a good reason. It's part of Apple's screen distance feature in iOS 26, and it's designed to protect your eyes, especially from things like eye strain and potential long-term vision issues like myopia or nearsightedness. So, while it's totally your choice to turn it off, just keep in mind that it's meant to help keep your eyes healthy, especially if you spend a lot of time on your phone. So, that would be it for this video, everyone. If this video helped you out and you found it useful, then please consider leaving a like on it, because it would really help me out. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone, and I will see you soon.